Welcome to another video of Chuck and Susan in Mazatlan. Today is day 17 of the pool build, and they'll be cleaning up the raw concrete, getting ready for plaster. It's going to be a really hot one today with an excessive heat advisory in Mazatlan. So the first thing I did this morning was I went ahead and put the sill shade back up. It's too hot out here for these guys to be working without any shade. It takes a little while to get this thing up and get it square and everything, and there's one corner that I couldn't reach, so I had to wait for the crew to get here. I hope you enjoy the video. This is the corner that got all the concrete on the hardware, and I had to change out a little bit of it and kind of rearrange it to get it to work. As you can see, after I put it up, there was a few wrinkles in it, but after a few hours in the sun, it stretched out a little bit and all the wrinkles faded away. The gentleman inside the pool is putting a thin layer of concrete over the dry concrete in order to smooth it out a little bit so the plastering will be a little bit easier. that'll wrap it up for today, guys. It's a beautiful day in Mazatlán as always. It's just kind of hot. Thanks a lot for watching the video. We appreciate it. If you liked what you see, please send your friends over. Come back and watch another one. You have a great day.